Hi, I'm Dr. Mark Johnson, and we're going to do a lesson that we can work on together using a website, and this is the URL right here at the top of the page of this website. The website has different pages on it, and right now we're on the home page. The lesson has three parts. First, you're going to build a Bombay and practice bombing. And second, you're going to share bombing videos and web page URLs with the class about bombing. Whatever you find that you like, you can share that on this sharing page. And I'm going to show you that page. So I have inserted a video here. And back on the home page, I have a little video that shows you, demonstrates how to insert videos on that page. And then finally, you will explain all together, you'll work on this together, and you will post on Bomb Sight Mechanisms page an explanation as to how a bomb sight really works when used in an airplane when you're bombing targets, such as the flying platforms that were used in World War II, like my uncle was a navigator on, for example. Okay, so the procedures are on the procedures page. You are basically going to go and make a bomb bay that will drop the bomb, and your bombs are going to be raw eggs. And your volunteer will be a teacher or a principal, and that person will wear a hard hat, and that person will walk along a chalk line next to a building from which, from the roof, you will drop the eggs using your bomb release mechanism that you've designed with the shop class instructor or some other person who can help you if you don't feel competent to do it yourself. So you will actually practice dropping bombs, and you don't have to use eggs for this. You can use just a ball, like a tennis ball, and use a stopwatch to determine how long it takes for the bomb to hit approximately 6 feet above the ground, 5 to 6 feet above the ground, in other words, the height of a person's head. And then you will estimate the average time or speed of the ISIS target walking along the chalk line. So you'll need to get your volunteer to walk the chalk line several times so that you can use your stopwatch to time that person's speed in feet per second. And you can figure that out because obviously you're smart people. And then you should determine the point at which the bomb will be released by multiplying the walking rate in feet per second times the number of seconds it takes for the bomb to fall to that 6 feet above the ground level. So then, finally, once you get that all figured out, you will drop a bomb on the target when the target gets to the distance that is y feet from ground zero. Ground zero is where the bomb would hit the ground. And then you repeat that until all the bombs are expended. When you actually set up to do this, once you've had a little practice, you can simply drop one at a time, a dozen eggs, and see how many times you hit the target. Or you can set this up with teams so that the teams compare their success rates and see who the winner is. So one team could be the world against ISIS, and the other team could be ISIS terrorists. Maybe ISIS will win. Anyway, and then finally, after you figure out how these bomb sites work, then read about, on this page, the Norden bomb site, and explain collectively, write a paragraph and edit it all together, explain how a bomb site works when really used, dropping it from an airplane. Once you have this all done, you will be bombardiers, and maybe you'll win the war. Hey, thanks. Cool.